It's easy to forget how important the jury really is to our American society. The right to be a juror is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed to all eligible citizens. The right to a trial by jury helped spark the American Revolution. It was quickly adopted at the Constitutional Convention, and it's the only right that appears in both the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. But for most of us, a jury summons is an unwelcome inconvenience. Who has time for jury duty? We all have things to do. It's important to realize that juries represent what we believe about America, that it's localized, it's democratic, and that we are the actors, we're the participants. We the people means we have to act. We have to do something. Jury duty is an example of doing something. We're all constitutional actors. Jury duty provides an opportunity to reflect on that constitutional responsibility. Jury service gives ordinary citizens a chance to reconnect to the constitutional character of our nation. Jury duty is a shared American tradition. It connects people across class and race, creates habits of focus and purpose, and teaches values of participation, equality, and deliberation. Jury service is not only important for our court system, but it's also important for democracy. Any citizen who's summoned for jury duty is going to receive a notice in the mail, and in that notice it's going to provide you a date and a time that you've been called to serve on jury duty. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get chosen for the jury. All potential jurors will show up on the date and time that they are scheduled. If the case that's scheduled for trial that day, in fact, goes to trial, all jurors will be brought up into the courtroom and they'll go through a jury selection process. That jury selection process is a chance for both of the attorneys as well as the judge to make sure that they have a panel of fair and impartial jurors. There are different life experiences that everybody goes through which may impact their ability, depending on a given factual scenario, to be fair and impartial. So that's the whole purpose of the jury selection process. If anybody were to have questions about jury service, you can always contact the Jury Services Coordinator in the Office of the Circuit Clerk.